Hi guys, today I am going to show you the unboxing of Seagate Backup Plus desktop storage 4 TB. So first I will show the box. Compatible with Windows 7 or higher, Mac OS X 10.0 or higher, iOS 8 or higher, Android 3.0 or higher. Requires internet connection. So okay, you can buy this through this and easy backup for your PC, Mac and mobile devices. So you can connect this to your mobile also. So here it is. 3 years limited warranty. Details available at Seagate.com. Fully recyclable package. So now I am going to open this. So keep it aside. So we got this in the box. Here is the Seagate. It is Seagate hard disk, and now let us see what's inside of this. I think we will get some cables. See the pins. USB 3.0 and HDMI to Seagate, and this is the adapter, I think. We are having the three different types of connectors to put into the sockets. We can connect this to adapter. So here is the adapter. I am going to open this. We are having some user manual in this. Keep it to this itself. So here it is, Seagate. Here we are having some indication light, and here we are having only two ports. So this is for the power and this is to transfer the data by using that cable. So this is all. Let us see the performance of this Seagate hard disk. It was somewhat of plastic, and I think it was looking somewhat low quality. Okay, anyway, let us see the performance. I connected the cable to the hard disk drive and the power pin. Here I have connected it, but see the pin here, this is like this, and I am having the socket off like this. So I am going to change this pin. You cannot put this directly here. First you have to remove this by pressing this button. By pressing this button you can remove this and take this and put. That's it. And now insert it here. Just switch on the switch. See, the light is switched on here, so that Seagate is on. After connecting the USB to the computer CPU, here it will show an icon that means it is connected to the computer. Let's open my computer, it's PC. So you can see here Seagate Backup Plus drive. So we got 3 files, warranty PDF, and start here win.exe, start here mac. So I think the Mac contents will be in this folder. We can hide this photo properties, hidden, apply. Okay, I hided all these two files and folder. Oh. So I am copying the data of this drive. 2 GB free of 499. It's almost 500 GB. Copy it and paste here. You will need to provide administration permission to copy this folder. Okay, continue. You will require permission from administrator to make changes to this folder system. Again. So it was started copying and see the time. It's 8:51 p.m. and here the back side you can see the logo. Copying is finished by 10:52 p.m.